Dreaming of becoming a doctor? Want to crack NEET with confidence? The journey starts now. Join our free online NEET workshop designed exclusively for 9th and 10th graders who want to start early and build a strong foundation. We will discuss, understand the NEET syllabus and key concepts, learn time-tested exam strategies from experts, get exclusive study materials, practice questions, and expert guidance. Interact with NEET toppers and experienced educators in a live Q&A session. We'll also explain our unique teaching approach. 1. Simplifying complex concepts using animation and summarization. 2. We teach until students fully grasp a concept, no time limit. Seats are limited. Don't miss this golden opportunity to start preparing for NEET. Register now via your email or phone. The future belongs to those who prepare today. Your NEET success story starts here.